extend my debate's gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop personalities. I am Aksha Sheikh and my father name is Muhammad Firoz Sheikh. I am a student of class 8 and I am learning is speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech value of water. Before starting my speech, I want to speak few lines in Hindi. एक गरीब से उसका हाल पूछकर आप भी कमाल करते हैं अजी। एक गरीब से उसका हाल पूछकर आप भी कमाल करते हैं। हम तो पानी जैसे हैं साहब, लोग जरूरत से ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Water is the basic need of our life. There is no life without water. We depend on the water for many purposes. Water is the use for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. And tree plants also need water. Water is the very important in our life. Water is the also used in tested. Now I am going to say the quote of Ratan Tata. Man can destroy iron, its own dust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but its own mindset can. I wrap up my speech with a message that's been a great experience to share my news with the wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.